Hello everybody, let's glue book and use up our scraps in the pink flamingo composition book. I'm now going to be doing things differently. I'm going to show you a completed page and how it evolved in my pink pelican. So instead of plugging along as I do, because you know I started this book, this glue book before my channel, and I really don't know when it's going to be finished. It's going to take me forever. So I don't want to take forever in showing you a completed page. And so I'm going to complete a page and then show you how it evolved over time, because I really do believe, I think, people like to see a completed page at the end of a session. So from now on, I'm going to do a completed page instead of completing the whole book and then doing a flip through. So you see on August 15th, I started this page down with the card. I don't know why I didn't cut this card up, but there you go. I just glued down the whole card. Maybe because inside there's a note to me, and I figured if one day I wanted to peek inside of it, I could still peek inside of it. So then here on September 29th, you see I saw some paper, some tissue paper. That was the wrapping to the tissue paper. You know, I don't waste anything. So I was like, hey, that would look cute in my glue book one day. So I put it in. I slapped it down on the second day. And now I'm getting ready to lay down this chair. And here's another session where, as you can see on the other side, I plopped down these tiles. Kind of like how they look. And now I'm using crafting scissors, the decorating scissors. I forgot what they're called. Not decorative edge scissors. There you go. Doink, doink, doink. I like using those because it gives sometimes your paper some interest. So I use those on another day. And down that goes. And if you're new to my channel, you see me always digging in the bag. I show the bag in the beginning of every glue booking session. I show my scrap bag. And these bag is full of scraps from my previous projects. You can see I have many albums, cards, flip books, junk journals on my channel, and whatever is left over, I put into. First, I put, if they're big enough pieces of paper, I put it back into the paper pack. But if it's little piece of paper, I'm done with it, I'll put it in my bag of scraps. Actually, this one I think came from a failed project. Now, I do that. I have a lot of failed projects. I am not perfect. So I have a lot of failed projects. And instead of just throwing the whole project away, I rip it apart. I'll rip it apart in a minute and use it. So I didn't know I was going to be working on the second page as well, showing you the second page, but there it is. And as you see in this, I have found some raffia from a project, and I'm going to use it. I love putting texture in my glue books. And that's why you see me a lot of times I'll touch the almost pet the page because of the different layers that's there. I have a lot of layers, and also the textures that I put in the book. I really enjoy having that. So down goes the raffia. And then you heard me laughing when I found him. He was cute. Anything that makes me laugh during the course of glue booking is fine. Because again, I glue book to relax and de-stress and things like that. I go through a lot, as we all do. So I tend to uh, veer towards the happier things for in my glue booking because crafting. Excuse me. I like to bright colors and things like that. I've been consistently using bright colors and things. It's because and funny objects to make me laugh. And if it makes you laugh too, then that's all good. Because he's cute. Oh, excuse me. And then I found this jewelry piece. I cut it up and I thought it looked cute on his head. That was a bracelet. Not a bracelet, like a necklace. And here was still another session, probably in 2020, where I'm looking through some chit chat, and I lay it down. You can see I've added other elements to tie both pages together. We're not supposed to be looking at the other side yet, the other page yet, but I thought it would be funny, and I added some other things. I'm always going back and forth, adding things to a page. That's why my book is never done, y'all. Okay, and here's the finished product, finished page. I took the other sentiment up and put the behold the elegance. I like how I like the use of the large B and the large E in the in place of the printed ones that was there originally. And this is the finished page. Yeah, behold the elegance. I like the quirky and the whimsical. Y'all know that. I like that he's different. But he sits regally up on that chair. You go, you little sock puppet, or whoever you are. Work. Make it work. No, let me stop, y'all. I'm getting a little loony. But here is the finished page. And I will talk about the other page. I was going to show you the other finished page. And thank you so very much for watching. I will talk to you in the next video. And we'll do the other page or some other pages. Then I'll show you the whole spread. Alrighty now. Thank you for watching. Bye.